Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to get back a missing display graphic driver in Device Manager on your Windows 10 device. So let's jump right into it. Let's see if we can get this resolved. If you have some sort of external monitor, perhaps a dual monitor that isn't being recognized. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully recover the driver if there is one available. So let's go jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager listed directly above Control Panel. Go ahead and just left click on that. Select whatever this top collapsible entry is here, so just left click on it one time, and then select Actions, and then add legacy hardware. Select next. It's going to ask what do you want to do. We're going to go select install the hardware that I manually select from a list, and then select next. Select the display adapter option here, and then select next. And now at this point, if you had a different driver here, so you might have multiple drivers listed here, if you want to set Microsoft, you can. However, if you had a more specific driver for a monitor manufacturer, I'd recommend following along with that suggestion here and then selecting the correct model. Or I mean, there'd probably only be one option there, to be completely honest with you, but just giving you guys, a couple different scenarios to play with. Once you have made your selection, you're going to go select next again, and once that's done, select finish here, and now you'll notice that there's a new display adapter that appears on the drop down. So again, you could probably just swap this out with whatever would be your applicable driver for your monitor. This is just obviously an example demonstration tutorial. There's a near infinite number of different possibilities that you could have for this, so we're just doing the most broad and generic one possible, but it should be able to be applied to just about any situation. So anyway, we're going to just go right click on whatever our new driver is and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers, and then select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Again, you might have some different options here. You are more than welcome to try one that fits more in the parameters. I'm just going to try a display adapter here and then selecting next. Should say it has successfully updated your drivers. I'm going to close out of there. You should restart your computer, and that should really be about it, guys. Not too much more to cover on that. You can also check for drivers online. So our first option, where we could have either checked automatically online or manually have gone through that list, you're welcome to check online. Usually that's pretty hit or miss. Usually it says you have the best drivers already installed, but you know what, you guys have choices, so there's more than one option to go with there. So pretty straightforward tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.